So in this clip, I am going to give you a very simple exercise. It's just a situation where you need to solve for a variable. It's very simple, but for some reason, sometimes can be a bit challenging for some students. So that's why I typically present this type of example. So imagine that you own a company or you're running a company, and that, well, your research department determines that the price elasticity of demand for the good or service that you are producing and selling is minus 1.7. Well, you know that this means that the demand is elastic because, well, the absolute value of this is larger than 1. So you're thinking, wait a second, if I reduce my prices, let's say by 5%, you know that the demand is going to increase probably, according to this demand, to this price elasticity of demand, by more than 5%. The question is how much, and how do you know that, right? Well, the only way to solve this problem is by applying the price elasticity of demand. So in this case, like I said, it's a very simple solution. You know that the price elasticity is equal to 1.7, and you don't know what is the value of the percent change in QD, which is exactly what you are trying to determine, but you know that you want to reduce prices by 5%. You know, this is your own pricing strategy. So all you need to do is to solve for this in the this numerator in the ratio. So all you need to do, let me change to green here, is that the percent change in quantity demanded is equal to, well, minus 1.7 times minus 0.5 is going to give you 8.5%. What is this telling you? Well, it means that according to the calculations of your marketing department, and assuming they are right, and assuming the calculations are correct, if the price elasticity of demand is 1.5 negative, that means that by reducing the price you charge in 5%, your total sales, the amount, the units that you are selling, are going to increase by 8.5%. So this is one way to take advantage of the knowledge that the price elasticity of demand is larger than 1. You reduce price, you increase the number of units that you sell. So very simple, but once again, the way to figure out this question is straight from the formula. Just solve for either variable. Let me know if you have questions.